answered, can he compartmentalize and sort of dismiss them as, well, that's a Democrat, who cares? But when somebody says that he's acting small, or Jeff Flake comments about him in an open mic, then what happens with President Trump?
Well, he sees a dramatic opportunity. This is another enemy for him to go up against. It's actually something that serves him very well. The president is not put off by this. I think for people to think that he stews over a poke at him from Adam Schiff is incorrect. If it were someone in his own party, a senator who might vote against the tax bill, then I think he might get his back up. But this is something he will dismiss, or he'll call Schiff some crazy name. The world will be entertained, and some people will be aghast and think, well, what is going on in Washington? But we're now accustomed to this. This is the routine. So it's useful for him dramatically, and keeps our minds off of the serious business. You know, this is a problem, though, I think, for his legislative agenda. The reason that Flakey and Corker and everybody else is lining up against him is they actually oppose his policies, and he's not doing anything to court them.
Flakey, see, it sticks. Well, one thing's for sure. We'll know if the president doesn't like something that's said about him, because he will respond.
Right.
That's what he does. Mr. D'Antonio, Ms. Stoddard, thank you very much, as always.